ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kitab Shala, a series crafted for talented and ambitious individuals keen on boosting their wisdom and knowledge portfolio. If diving into books feels like a challenge, you are in the right place. Today, I will break down the 7 key lessons from the book Mega Living in under 7 minutes. Mega Living by Robin Sharma is a highly motivational book focused on unlocking one's fullest potential. Known for his expertise in leadership and motivation, author Sharma provides not just inspiration but also practical strategies for readers to transform their lives positively. The book stands out as a valuable guide offering actionable advice rather than mere motivational cliches. The author Sharma writing style is both clear and engaging, ensuring readers easily connect with the material. Whether you are seeking a positive change or aiming for a more fulfilling life, Mega Living serves as a powerful source of motivation, guiding readers towards the right path. It's a must-read for those ready to take their control of their lives and extract the maximum value from the potential journey. Here are 7 galvanizing lessons from this book. Lesson number 1: The power of mindset. The author underscores the profound influence of mindset on our lives, urging readers to embrace a pragmatic and growth-oriented mindset. He highlights how a shift in thinking can bring about transformative changes, empowering individuals to cultivate a mindset that positively impacts both their personal and professional spheres. By focusing on the idea that our thoughts shape our experiences, the author emphasizes that adopting a constructive mindset can lead to significant positive transformations in various aspects of life. This involves recognizing and challenging limiting beliefs, replacing them with empowering ones. A growth mindset encourages continuous learning and an openness to new opportunities. By believing in their ability to grow and improve, individuals can overcome roadblocks and achieve greater success. This lesson is a reminder that our internal dialogue and attitude can either propel us forward or hold us back. Adopting a progressive mindset is a powerful tool for unlocking potential and achieving long-term fulfillment. Lesson number 2: Morning rituals matter. This lesson highlights the profound impact of starting the day with the intentional and positive habits. Establishing a morning routine becomes a powerful tool for setting a constructive tone that resonates throughout the day. By incorporating positive habits like meditation, exercise, or gratitude practices into the early hours, you lay a foundation for mental clarity, focus, and overall well-being. This ritual fosters a mindset of positivity and productivity, enhancing personal discipline and a sense of control. The consistency of a morning routine not only boosts self-discipline but also contributes to a sense of purpose and direction. These rituals serve as a deliberate investment in self-care and self-mastery, creating a ripple effect that positively influences various aspects of daily life. Embracing morning rituals helps manage stress, increase energy levels, and improve overall mood, setting you up for a successful and fulfilling day. By prioritizing your morning, you ensure that your day begins with intention and positivity, greatly enhancing your ability to achieve your goals. Lesson number 3: Daily excellence. The author emphasizes the pursuit of daily excellence as the key to long-term success. By consistently striving for excellence in every task and endeavor, you cultivate a habit of high performance. This involves setting high standards for yourself, committing to continuous improvement, and delivering your best effort consistently. Daily excellence requires discipline, focus, and a proactive approach to challenges. It's about pushing boundaries, exceeding expectations, and embracing a mindset of continuous growth. By making excellence as a daily practice, you establish a reputation for reliability, competence, and achievement, positioning yourself for greater opportunities and personal fulfillment. Lesson number 4: Leadership by example. The author underscores the importance of leadership by example in inspiring and influencing others positively. Leading by example means embodying the values, behaviors, and principles you wish to see in others. It involves integrity, authenticity, and consistency in actions and decisions. By demonstrating commitment, resilience, and ethical behavior, you inspire trust and respect from colleagues and followers. Leadership by example fosters a culture of accountability, collaboration, and continuous improvement within teams and organizations. It's about setting high standards, empowering others, and nurturing a supportive environment for growth and success. Through leadership by example, you can create lasting impact and drive positive change in both professional and personal domains. Lesson number 4: Financial mastery. Financial mastery is about achieving financial independence and security through sound money management and strategic investments. The author emphasizes the importance of budgeting, saving, and investing wisely to build wealth over time. This involves understanding financial principles, setting financial goals, and making informed decisions about income and expenses. Financial mastery also includes developing passive income streams and diversifying investments to mitigate the risk. By taking control of your finances, you gain freedom, stability, and peace of mind. It's about making prudent financial choices, planning for the future, and leveraging resources to achieve financial goals. Financial mastery empowers you to live a fulfilling life, pursue your passions, and create opportunities for yourself and others. Lesson number 5. Personal integrity. Integrity is central to author Sharma's philosophy, emphasizing the alignment of actions with values and principles. Personal integrity fosters trustworthiness, credibility, and self-respect. It involves making ethical decisions and honoring commitments even when faced with challenges. Upholding integrity strengthens character and builds a reputation for reliability and honesty. By prioritizing integrity in all aspects of life, you cultivate strong relationships, earn respect, and maintain the peace of mind. It forms the foundation for personal and professional success, guiding ethical behavior and decision making. Lesson number 6. Legacy mindset. Adopting a legacy mindset involves living with purpose and making a positive impact beyond personal gain. The author encourages leaders to define their legacy by identifying core values, passions, and goals. Building a legacy requires setting ambitious goals, pursuing meaningful work, and contributing to the community. It involves leaving a lasting impression through acts of kindness, leadership, and service. By aligning actions with values and aspiring to leave a positive mark on the world, you inspire others and create a meaningful legacy. A legacy mindset motivates you to strive for excellence and live with intention, ensuring a life of significance and fulfillment. Lesson number 7. Emotional mastery. This involves understanding and managing emotions effectively. The author advocates for cultivating emotional intelligence through self-awareness, self-regulation, empathy, and social skills. This mastery enables you to navigate challenges, build meaningful relationships, and make sound decisions under pressure. By developing emotional resilience, you maintain composure in stressful situations and maintain a positive outlook. Emotional mastery empowers you to communicate effectively, resolve conflicts, and inspire others. It fosters a supportive work environment and enhances overall well-being, leading to greater satisfaction and success in personal and professional life. Mega Living is more than just a self-help book. It's a roadmap to living a life of purpose, passion, and fulfillment. Robin Sharma's engaging writing style and practical wisdom make this book a compelling read for anyone looking to break free from limitations, embrace positive change, and embark on a journey of mega living. Think of this book as your treasure chest of knowledge, but here's the twist. It's not just about stuffing your brain. It's about unleashing that wisdom into your life. Books are not just givers, they are transformers. It's not what you take from a book, but what book draws from you. It's time to turn those insights into action. Thank you and see you in the next video.